Good morning, class. I'm Danny in the tutor. And today, regarding the TOEIC writing part 1, we will talk about nouns. There are 4 parts. There are 4 sessions in this lesson. And there are 4 parts in this lesson. And in the first part, you will be able to identify various types of nouns and series effectively in the TOEIC writing task. Let's go. What do you see here? Yeah, the picture on the left. What is his name? Correct, Pluto. It is the Pluto dogs in the Walt Disney series. And how about the picture on the right? 1, 2, yeah, there are many dogs and many breeds of dogs. We call them in general dogs. What is the difference? Yeah, on the right, it is exactly the one, the Pluto, the one, and we can know exactly him. On the right hand side, it is general name of a type of animals, dogs. It leads us to the definition of proper noun and common nouns. The common noun is mentioned as to refer to the general, non-specific people, things, places, or ideas. For example, dog as in the previous example, city, book, or idea. Remember that they are not capitalized unless they are beginning a sentence. And what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are specific name given to particular people, places, things, or entity, like Mary, the name of the girls, New York City, Great Gatsby. And they are always capitalized. Okay, remember on that. To get you a little familiar, let's do a practice. Go into the cell phone to scan the QR code on the left hand side, or press on the link on the right hand side. You have we have all 3 minutes on the exercise. All right. Ready? Let's see. For now they are providing the proper noun for the common noun city. For example, Tokyo, country like Japan, a man like Sasaki, bò pen like the Fuji, make a name, star like LV, very famous, Monday, February, and the fish like Sherman, tree like Japan tree. I don't know what it is, but we get the name. President like President of Japan. Actually, I don't remember those, but Hiroshi, several like Macron, President of France. All right, sent. Now let's see what answers we have. What's the answer we have? Okay, we have 3 answers. Let's go one by one to see what is correct and what is not correct. For example, the first one, city. All right, they are all the name of a particular city. So you're correct. Our countries, yes, you're still correct. Vietnam, France, Japan, very specific name. Yeah, here the name of the people, the men's, the ball. Yeah, okay, all right. Because you can their brand of the ball pens. Star, let's see. Star, what do we? S&M, LV, all right, correct. The the January number one. Actually, number one, I believe that you want to refer to January. Is all right? Fish, really interesting answer. Nemo, correct. Nemo is the name of the fish, very famous. Shark and salmon, are they proper nouns? I believe not, because shark also, even if you are writing in capital, they are capitalizing it, then we assume that they are or private names or personal name, then they are correct in terms of proper nouns. But if they are referring to shark as a family of fish or salmon as a family of fish, then they are not correct. All right, there are multiple types of shark. Tree, curiously correct. Pine tree, of course not. Pine tree is a general group of trees. There are tree in capitalized. The Japanese capitalized, so assume that it is the name of the tree. So the second person is not correct. All right. President, all right, they are all the name of presidents. So do they have the do they get the point about proper name, proper nouns, and common nouns? Any question? All right, I have another homework for you. Optionally, you can do it by yourself and then post into the class website. All right. So just to make it clearer that the proper noun avoid any ambiguous things, ambiguous thoughts or reference about the thing you are mentioned to. They are very clear and so precise when we mention exactly the name of the thing, a person, a city, etc. However, the commoner have its roles as well. It provides us in a general context when we do not know the proper noun and or we want to mention about a family or type, family or types of things. Okay. So let's go closer to our part one question. Here is for you to recognize for you to recognize the for you to recognize the nouns in the part one trade writing. For example, which active best describe the baby in the picture? Yeah, when you observe the picture, you see that he's sleeping. So let me see. So sure, this will be the answer. All right. The answer sleeping. And where is the baby? We see that he's sleeping and the bench or the barrel to keep him safe. It's not in the mall. There's more people over there. So it is a grip. Yeah. Taxi of course not, a car of course not. Yeah. And what does cover the lower body of the baby here? I mentioned about this thing. All right. A pillow, of course not. Pillow should be under our head. Blanket, yeah, it is a blanket. Teddy bear, we don't see a teddy bear here. A toys, of course not toys. All right. So the how we identify the nouns in the test part one writing, and remember that here's a what now is that proper noun or common nouns. Yeah. Except the first one, then we will go deeper in the next part. The noun formation, how to create a nouns. The other are all common nouns. They're not. There isn't any name for a particular name for the things, right? And here's another homework for you when you when you go master. What's it next? When you want to master it in and identify nouns in the trade writing. Okay, that is for the first sessions of our lesson today. Thank you very much. Later we'll move to countable noun, uncountable noun, and collective nouns.